Alright guys, we're here, race day, Formula 1, Miami, 2025, Gate 5, right here. We're about to get inside. I just wanted to kind of get some footage of the, well, and it's only 11:30 and it's already pandemonium. It's just craziness. Yeah, fucking planes in the skies, crazy. So, Anthony, one of our AST members, obviously he was super cool. He was able to give me 2 tickets. One was supposed to be for Barbie. She couldn't make it because of her scheduling, so we ended up doing a deal with one of our other members, Sal. I just went ahead. He needed a ticket, so it was perfect. We were at Eagle's place. We were at Vice City District, and then he told me about it. He's like, "Oh, I need a ticket." I'm like, "Dude, perfect. I got one." So it worked out great. We're about to go inside. Pretty awesome. It's the first time I've actually been to Formula 1. I never got the chance to come the first year, which was insane when you were paying $20,000 for like a ticket that wouldn't even get you in front of the stands. It's crazy. That's the third year. $450 million, $480 million contract that they paid to have this. And it's been kind of great. So here we go, guys. Formula 1, 2025. Let's kick some fucking ass. We're not here for Formula 1. We're here to do the most amazing marketing and networking and automotive networking for Flatout Motor Cars, obviously, and try to find some real buyers for the Drakan. That's really what we're here for. You know me, I give 3 fucking shits about these cars are fucking vacuum cleaners to me, so that's how it is.